Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about the books that turn into draft after publishing them. This could be because of a keyword was included in the author name or wrong cover sizes or in any possible reason. With the Power KDP tool you can re-upload them again without the need to upload new books. All you have to do is go to your XLSX file and go to the state section. Delete all the done statement for the draft books and leave the link as is. The app will take the link of the books and re-edit on the same drafts books. Save your file and close it. Now go to your Power KDP tool and click on New Upload and then go to your XLSX file. Drag and drop it in the uploading area and click on Continue. And there you go, your upload has started. This is all for today's video. If you have any question, feel free to leave us a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.